Hi, my name is Paige, and I'm an educator at the Schuylkill Center for Environmental Education with this week's Nature Craft, Seed Mosaics. This is a super easy and relaxing activity to do with kids ages 5 and up. All you need are pieces of cardboard, dried beans and seeds such as lentils, navy beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, and if you have them or can find them, anise seed pods are very pretty, and some glue. So you can draw a design and add the glue as you work, or you can fill in an area and put the beans down as you go. It's all up to you and your imagination. And before you know it, you can turn cardboard and glue and beans into designs that fill the cardboard. Have fun, and please share pictures of your creations with us at Schuylkill Center. And tune in next time for a new nature craft. Thank you.